How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily in 2021. Now that's I am going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three lines in the top right corner and go to the settings, and here you can see the help, and you have to then you come to the help center, and there is so you have to open with Chrome, and I want to change language with English, and you have to search delete, and here this option comes, how do I delete how to delete Instagram account. Click on this link, and here you come to this page. So what you have to do is first click on these links, delete your account, and here you choose open with Chrome, and here you can see the when you click on the delete your account, what you have to do is you can see the temporarily disable in the uh, in these lines. Here you can see in the blue lines, temporarily disable. So click on the temporarily disable, and here and this page comes when you click on temporarily disable. So why are you disabling your account? You have to choose the regions for it, and here are the all the regions. So you can choose any regions that you are um, so, and then you have to enter the password of your Instagram account, and then when you do this, what you have to do is click on that. Here you can see it is not in the blue icon, it is in the blur form. So when you enter all this, it is in the blue form, and when you click on the temporary disable account, your account is temporarily disabled. So that's basically it, that how you can deactivate Instagram account temporarily in 2021. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment that this video is helpful. Have a good day.